Okay, let's see if I'm live here. Yeah, it looks it. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome to this live stream. I'm Marco from Pro Real Time Algos, and this is Marco making the million. Okay, so today is the first day of this challenge. I'm gonna I'm gonna go through the game plan. I'll start my algos, and then after that I'll answer some of your questions. So this challenge is to turn 5,000 euros to 1 million euros. It's mostly a way for us to promote Pro Real Time Algos company, but it's also a way for us to show you how much we trust the robustness of our algos. We definitely think this goal is possible to achieve. So, okay, to make these returns, it requires you to take a big risk. So I want to make clear that we do not recommend any of your customers to run the algos with our position size, with only 5,000 euros in initial capital. However, you can do half our position size, or you can use the same position size with a bigger initial capital. And that's again, that's up to you. We believe that it'd be best if you did it. If you took it with just only 5,000 euros in initial capital. So okay, to turn 5,000 euros to 1 million euros, it requires you to make a gain of 19,900%. If you divided it into smaller periods, it would mean a yearly return of 276%, and a quarterly return of 39%, and a monthly return of close to 12%. So, in other words, this would mean that I have to double the capital every 6.27 months. So, your question is probably, how do I do this? Well, first of all, I have to take a risk. The plan is to risk a maximum 1% of the total capital per trade. From the start, I will risk around 0.6% per trade. Now, I'm starting easy, but will rapidly start increasing the size as the time goes by, and then you'll start seeing position size on the next slide. I'll run all algos in the PRTA full algo package. Today it's 11 algos, and in a few weeks there'll be 13. During the time of the challenge, more of the PRTA new released algos will be added to sum up around 20 algos at the end of this challenge. Okay, so here's the projected equity curve with the yearly milestones. Now, it's a typical exponential curve. As months go, I will plot my own gain in relations to this curve to see if I'm above or below the projections. Now, to the left are the starting position sizes. I'll run with 1 contracts on all German algos, except the 4-hour, on which I will use 0.5 contracts. I'll run 2 contracts on the French markets. On Dow Jones, I'll run 0.5 contracts on all algos, except the 4-hour, on which I'll run 0.2 contracts. Now, on the US 100 NASDAQ, I'll use 1 contract. So, if I would just extrapolate this position size to 2024 and include new algos, these would be the approximate position sizes. Okay, so that's it. So if you would like to join the challenge, maybe with half the risk, the all algo package, including all these algos, can be rented for 490 euros. So now all you need to do is go to prorealtimealgos.com for more information. So, okay, so let's start the algos. Okay, I see I'm getting questions. Why I'm running different contract sizes on the different markets? Well, the contract sizes are calculated to divide the risk equally between all algos. So it all depends on the number of points of the market. Yeah, I mean, the French market is at 4,000 points something, and therefore I have to increase the position size to be equal to the German market at 12,000 points. I don't know. I don't know if that made sense. But anyway, let's start the algos. Okay. Okay, I've already logged into IG. Here's my initial capital of 5,000 euros. I'm just going to name this Marco Making the Million. And then I'll start the pro real time. This is this is so slow. Every time I have to wait like 2 minutes. Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay, so I've already prepared all the algos. I've modified the position size in the code, but they're not running yet. Here are the 3 Dow algos. Here are the US 100 algos, and here are the French algos. And here are my German algos. So let's start all of them. It's not possible to set 0.5 contracts, so I'm just setting one contract as the maximum number of contracts. It's still the position size in the code that decides the position size. Okay, all algos are started. Now we do nothing. These algos will start trading in a few hours. And I guess that's it. Next week we have more content to talk about. Now we have started, so next week we'll have our first results. If you have any questions, please tweet us on Twitter, and I'll answer them right away. So have a good night. Bye.